How to fix tweets aren't loading right now. So after opening your Twitter, now if you're facing some glitches or if your tweets aren't loading right now, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will find that problem. So once you have a stable internet connection, then your tweets will be loaded. So to check that, you can open up your settings and now you can go for network and internet. And here I have Wi-Fi connection. But if you're using your mobile data, then you can go for SIM card and mobile network. And you need to simply turn your mobile network off and then again turn it on. And after that, if you're using your Wi-Fi, then simply turn your Wi-Fi off and then again turn it on and make sure that you have a stable connection. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, go back, scroll down and go for apps. Now you can open up your Twitter on your settings and then go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix, then open up your Play Store or your App Store and you need to search for Twitter. And after searching, here you will have your Twitter application. So under your Twitter application, if you have an update option, simply go and tap on update and update your application. And once you update your application, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you fix your tweets aren't loading right now. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.